Hey, happy National Puppy Day. It's James and Kelly at RoofPRO. We brought our dogs. Bandit, come here. Bandit.
This is Casey. She is a 9-year-old Chihuahua, long-haired Chihuahua. She loves everyone but Bandit. She's my sweetheart and one of the most loyal members of our family. So today I thought I'd take her on the road with me, which is going to be very short-lived. But just remember, when you have that cabin fever from just being stuck inside, don't forget the guys who greet us at the door and the gals who greet us at the door every afternoon or evening when we get home. Spend some time with them.
That's right. This is Bandit. Bandit is a sit. Bandit's a year old. He's a Shepherd mix. We rescued him August of 2019, so he's still figuring out training. Let's see if we can get a close up. Come here, puppy. Come. Hey, little puppy. Hey, look.
Say hi, Kate.
Come here.
Say hi. She sees the treats.
Come here, puppy. Good girl.